What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money without paying anything. That's right guys, I'm going to be showing you 8 different ways of things that you can do online that you can actually get paid without making any sort of investment. I think you want to stick around for this one guys. We're starting right now. Alright guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and so in this video I'm going to be going through 8 different things that you can literally do online without paying any money or making any type of investment at all. So make sure you stick around for all of these 8 items that we're going to be talking about, because you never know which one of these things might resonate with you. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is make money blogging. So if you like to write about, various topics about anything really, you can actually start a blog with blogger.com or wordpress.com, which are basically free blogging platforms in which you can actually just blog and it'll be online. You don't even have to get hosting or domain or anything else. But you can actually start with those platforms and you can start creating content, and then as your blog gets traffic, you can make money from AdSense, as well as you can make money by selling affiliate products. So the number 2 way would be to get paid taking online surveys. Now there's probably hundreds of different online survey sites that are out there online, and basically you're just going to sign up with these different sites and you'll get paid for taking surveys or filling out questionnaires. You do have to put in the elbow grease with a lot of these websites, because typically you're only going to be getting paid pennies or maybe a couple dollars per survey. But if you're doing it in front of the TV, or if you're not working at the current moment, this is an excellent way to kind of like, just make a couple extra bucks, just completing some surveys. And then I put 2 popular survey sites that are out there, which is Inbox Dollars and Swag Bucks. The number 3 way is, and which is near and dear to my heart, is creating YouTube videos, right? So you can actually start a YouTube channel in any niche, or you can start a vlog and you can just start creating videos and uploading those videos. And from YouTube videos, you can actually start generating traffic. There's millions of people on YouTube every single day searching for many different topics, or just looking to be entertained. So if you can do any of that thing, if you can educate or entertain, you can actually start getting traffic to your YouTube channel, and you can sell affiliate products, as well as you can monetize your videos with ads once you get to the partner program, where you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. The number 4 way to get paid is through something that we call micro jobs. And what micro jobs are basically simple online tasks that people will pay you to do. So a lot of times people will pay you to sign up for websites, or to do blog commenting, or to do some different social media tasks such as retweeting or sharing Facebook posts. Sometimes they actually will pay you to do internet research for you and just organize things for them. So these are good little simple jobs that you can do, that anybody can do. You don't have to have any special skills or qualifications in order to do these jobs, and you can actually get paid money to do that. So I've actually listed a couple of these micro job websites on here. You can go over to Micro Workers, Rapid Workers, or Short Tasks. The number 5 method is make money with Fivver. And a lot of you guys, I'm sure if you've been watching my channel or any other YouTuber's channel, they're always talking about Fivver. It's a freelance website that people can get on there if you have any type of skill set, whether it's writing, whether it's graphic designs, or making websites, or even making music, or creating videos, or editing videos. Whatever your talent is or skill set is, there's somebody out there that's willing to pay you for your skills. So if you have any skill set, you can actually get on to Fivver.com, and then you can actually just start selling your services to other people that need it. The number 6 way is to make money as an online tutor. So if you're a professional teacher and you have, knowledge in a certain specific area, there's students and there's people online that need to be tutored and they don't want to go to a specific place. You can actually do this straight from your computer, and you can actually earn money by tutoring people online. So 2 different places that you can go to is called tutor.com and chalkstreet.com. So the number 7 way to make money is by earning through selling your own designs. So if you're gifted in this area, if you can create designs, you can actually upload those designs to a website that I have here called Cafe Press. There's others out there, but this Cafe Press website gives you ability to upload your designs, and people can buy those designs and, you know, print out shirts and apparel and mugs and all sorts of trinkets with your design on it. So you can actually make money doing this. So last but not least is the number 8 way to make money, and that's make money testing websites. And you guys might have heard of this before, but there's actual companies out there that will actually pay you to kind of test their website, the user friendliness of their website, or the user experience. So a lot of these companies will actually have you, record your screen. They'll actually have you download a software and you can record your screen going through the various pages of the website, testing different things, going through the checkout process. And while you're recording your screen, you'll actually be talking in the microphone and kind of just giving your feedback as you're going through the website. So 2 popular websites to get paid for testing is User Testing and Testing Bird. So that is my 8 ways that you can make money online without paying anything, guys. Hopefully one of these things that I talked about today will resonate with you. And if one of them did, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one of these items that you think you're going to be starting to start making money without paying money. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen. And if you want to learn how I make money with affiliate marketing, make sure you check the link in the description. It'll be the first link in the description, and it'll show you how I generate income online with affiliate marketing. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.